In a world where nature attacks innocent campers, there's only one tool that can save the day.
The Magic Gadget. Number 52. Tent.
Man, I'm tired. Let's set up camp before it gets dark.
Yeah, that looks like a good campsite over there.
Alright, I'll start setting up the tent. Does this look right?
I don't think so. Why don't we use the Magic Gadget?
Wow.
Whoa!
See, wasn't that easy with the Magic Gadget?
Yeah.
Number 114. Fishing reel.
Aw, man, I'm hungry.
We should go fishing.
That sounds like a plan. Oh, I almost had him. I wish I had a fishing reel.
You should use the Magic Gadget. It has a fishing rod on it.
Wow.
I think I have something. That fish stood no chance with my Magic Gadget.
Number 198. Bear repellent.
Roar!
Ah! Oh no, the bear got my fish! Let go of my fish. Oh wait, my Magic Gadget has bear repellent.
Wow. Number 235. Big knife.
Well, I guess we need some firewood to cook this fish with.
Let's go get some.
Hey look, there's some conveniently placed firewood. Let's cut it up. This is gonna take forever.
Stand back. The Magic Gadget has a big knife.
Wow.
Wow, the Magic Gadget really made cutting up that firewood easy.
Number 271. Lighter.
I wish I had a lighter.
The Magic Gadget has a lighter on it.
Wow.
That's why you need the Magic Gadget.
Oh, good day, mates.
Oh my gosh, it's Steve Irwin!
Steve Irwin!
Hi, I'm Steve Irwin. As the official spokesperson of the Magic Gadget, I would just like to say that this nifty tool has made my survival situations with the easiest. But you can just ask my friends Francis and Bruce here. They make my life go round, and they would like to say that this product is number one. But if you don't have one, crikey, sorry mate.
Man, this is good fish.
Thank goodness we have the Magic Gadget. That's why you need the Magic Gadget.
Roar! But you can just ask my friends Francis and Bruce here. They make my life go round, and they would like to say that this product is number one. But if you don't have one, crikey.